This has been a good day. Good day here at Niagara Falls. I gotta say, this is definitely worth the trip. If you're gonna come this way, people ask me all the time, where in somewhere that is absolutely amazing. I tell people, you need to go to Yellowstone. It's a must-see in your life. Thus, Niagara Falls and all the boat ride and everything, it's up there in that chart too. This is a must-see thing. It's pretty incredible, guys. Yep. There's the crow's nest. There goes the boat we were just on. Did we sell current? Are we hitting the road in a new RV? Yeah. Stay tuned to find out. Incredible. Words of advice if you're coming to the base of the mist and you're going to go to this crow's nest, keep your poncho like these two did. Don't be like me, because you're gonna get it. Oh! Goodest time to any tell you guys, boy, they had quite an adventure coming over on their train.
Oh my!
It was.
Let me tell you.
It was a rough one.
It was
Train
great.
from hell.
not a pleasant experience. So if you're looking to cross country, because they came over from Seattle, they recommend not riding the Amtrak.
Oh my!
You know?
Do your RV.
Yeah, take an RV. Rent a Cruise America. Do something. Yep. Yeah, it's been a heck of a vacation so far for them. They rode all the way over, got lost in New York City, finally figured out their motel. They were supposed to take another 10-hour ride back to here.
On Amtrak.
On Amtrak. And long story short, I just went and got them in New York. They've been riding with us in our RV. We broke, I don't know, 3 belts, the same belt. But we're back up and running now. And here we are at Niagara Falls. So come on, let's go check this out. Train. Or trolley, not train. Yep. A make-believe trolley.
In half a mile, turn left. In 1,000 feet, at the traffic circle, take the second exit and stay on First Street.
That's some powerful water. You know how you find out?
Read the sign or look it up.
Yep.
Amazing.
No, that's actually just a breath. That's not a breath.
I look crap up myself. That water's green. Yeah. Oh, look. Made in the mist.
What?
There's the boat.
Where?
Right there at the bottom. That's the Maid of the Mist. I found her. Oh, I can't go out that way. Yep. If you guys are looking to do the Maid of the Mist tour, your GPS is going to want you to walk all the way up over there. That's 0.7 of a mile or so, I think it says. We just got the information that the old power plant right here in the parking lot goes down to an elevator, and it'll take you right down to the bottom because the Maid of the Mist is right below it, and that is free. So, hidden secret for you guys. Information. That is not where you load for Maid of the Mist. So forget what I said there. That other guy's information was wrong. We just talked to the guy. That was an old power plant that closed in the 50s, and they now use that for boat storage and things like that. You can ride the elevator down and go check out the area, but to ride Maid of the Mist, you do walk down this trail, and it's about, he said, a 7 to 10 minute walk.
Oh, GoPro.
That's the building you go down in, right there.
Those people all in blue. That's us.
I ain't made of sugar, but this is definitely cool. Some fun in your vacation.
Yeah. Amazing.
Woo. Now we're spinning. making the turn. Look at that. Incredible. If that ain't a sight worth seeing. It's a lot of water. Woo! Yeah. Maybe I shouldn't have took off the poncho just yet. We're on our way from down there up this to the crow's nest up here. Me, Isaiah, and Killian, they kept their ponchos on. I'm definitely getting wet, guys. We made it up. Look at that. We are, well, I'm a little wet. Well, let's go over here and take a look at this. Woo! Wow. Well, guys, so much for being dry for the day, huh? Oh, yeah. Okay. I think I'm soaked. Words of advice if you're coming to the base of the mist and you're going to go to this crow's nest, keep your poncho like these two did. Don't be like me, because you're gonna get it. Oh. Alright, we're going back down. Look at these. Oh. There goes the boat we were just on. If stairs are something you can't do very easy or are hard on you, I would definitely recommend not coming up to the crow's nest. It just goes you up to the top there and you could wring me out. It doesn't even matter at this point if I get my feet wet. But they do have little stepping stones. Ooh, that's slick.
Hola, güerejita. Espérame, le voy a enseñar la Eva.
Yep. There's the crow's nest.
Yeah, right?
If I was really here.
She's bossing them around over there.
Come. Oh my God.
This has been a good day. Good day here at Niagara Falls. I gotta say, this is definitely worth the trip. If you're gonna come this way, people ask me all the time, where in somewhere that is absolutely amazing. I tell people, you need to go to Yellowstone. It's a must-see in your life. Thus, Niagara Falls and all the boat ride and everything, it's up there in that chart too. This is a must-see thing. It's pretty incredible, guys. Keep it up.
That's very cute. Very cute. Sorry, just right there.
So let me get this straight. You guys drop one.
You were out for your surgery.